Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to get your car or your XB prepared for a leather wrap. So stay tuned, I'll see you guys around. Okay, so these are the tools you're going to need in order. A Torx 30 bit for the airbags. An impact. You're going to need a screwdriver to take off the airbag clips. Then you're going to need a Phillip to take off the trim. That's going to be the champagne clips there. Basically the cruise control button and the blank trim. Then you're going to need a string or thread of your color, your needles, and your scissors. Now the leather wrap that you would normally install, that's already installed in my car with a black thread, and I want to upgrade it to purple. I think the purple will look better and stand out a little more. Okay, step one is disconnect your battery. As you can see, no responsing, no lights, nothing. Dome light, no, nothing. Okay, so after you get the battery disconnected, it's time to disconnect the airbag. Look, that little tiny hole right there, that's where it is on both sides. So you go ahead and take your T30 and unscrew that. The bolt will not come out. It is attached to the airbag with like a washer and a clip. You just got to loosen it to make it fall out. Alright, and once that is done, the airbag will be loose, like so. You tilt this in. Now you have two main things to look at. You're going to have the airbag connectors in this cable here. This, you need to be careful. I would use a screwdriver or pliers, but be very gentle not to rip that. And of course these, you take off. I'm trying to do this with looking through the camera. There we go. There. And once that's done, just go underneath it. Focus. Lift up. Same thing over here. There we go. And then this last piece here, I believe this is a ground, or this is for something for the horn. I can't remember. But let me go ahead and get that disconnected. Okay, once disconnected, you're going to have a screw here and a screw here to get these pieces off. And I don't have a impact or an impact bit to take these off. So I'm going to go with the good old hand screwdriver. I'm using my stubby guy here. Now, once you get off the two screws that hold on the trim, this one in particular, you will want to unplug that, and that way you can have clearance. And this one will just pop off. Now I'm going to go ahead and start taking off all the rest of the string and the thread, if you will, and that way we can stitch on the new one. Okay, so all the old stitching is off, as you can see. What you will need to do is go ahead and take off these two screws right here, and this will allow the plastic top piece to be loose. And this little clip down here, you just spread it and push it in, and then now this is loose, which gives you more access to tuck the leather behind the plastic trim. So when it's all sewed up, it looks nice and neat. Now for your leather wrap, yours will not sit on your steering wheel like this perfectly. You will get some adhesive tape, and you go ahead and put that all around the steering wheel at different contact points. And then you'll go ahead and remove the other side of it so it can stick to the actual leather. And then you go ahead and place it and form it where you really want it. Key things to keep in mind. Okay, so you can see this side right here has the stitching right here. When you're stitching, make sure this one is pulled over enough to actually line up with it so it doesn't look like it's offset. Okay, so after a couple hours of doing some stitching, it is finally done. I went ahead and wrapped these two pieces in a black vinyl. They're not perfect, but they definitely look a lot better. I did take out the steering wheel because I was getting impatient in the vehicle. It's hard to see on this side with the lighting, but here you can see the purple. It's on this side too, it's just the lighting, it's a little weird over here. And then right here, all the way across the top. Again, it's not perfect, but I wanted to have the purple stitching. It's definitely noticeable and it's just enough to work. Okay, and once the wheel is reinstalled, make sure everything fits nice and snug. If you did take this off, make sure you torque this guy down. It's time to reinstall the airbag. Make sure the battery is disconnected for this. You don't want it to blow up in your face. And make sure your cruise control and everything is connected so you don't have to take this all apart. Voila, all done. You got your leather wrap on, favorite color stitching or thread, black accents, and it all looks nice. There we go. Well, that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave those below. Or you can message me on Instagram if there's something more specific you want me to go into detail, or maybe something I can clarify. Also, I need to get my hands on a good tripod. I'm looking for a tripod that's stable, sturdy, not thin. It has to be able to, stand everything. My last one broke. The leg completely fell off. So if you guys have any ideas on a really good quality tripod or a monopod, leave those below or message me a link on Instagram. I'm trying to get one ordered as soon as possible. But basically, I want the tripod to obviously do a tripod duty, but it also has to hold the phone gimbal. Now, you guys are currently on this now, and this thing weighs probably about 3 to 5 pounds plus the phone. And so some tripods I looked at are not going to be strong enough. And the one I did order off of Amazon, it's way too thin. It's not strong enough. It's not sturdy. So if I put this on it, it just tips over, and I don't want that. So if you guys know of a good tripod or a good monopod I could also buy, let me know. But thank you guys for watching today's video. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and like if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys around. Thank you.